First, set your oven to 425 degrees. Grab 2 sheet pans and line one with parchment paper. Now, cut your tofu into 1/2 inch slices and pat them dry. Next, drizzle 2 tablespoons of oil on a large plate. On another plate, mix 1/4 cup of cornstarch, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and a sprinkle of black pepper. Coat each tofu slice in oil, then in the cornstarch mix. Place them on the lined sheet pan. Bake the tofu on the middle rack for 30 to 35 minutes, flipping halfway. On the second sheet pan, spread out 4 cups of broccoli florets. Drizzle with 2 tablespoons of oil and season. Roast it on the bottom rack for 20 to 22 minutes. While that's cooking, let's make the teriyaki sauce. Mix 1/2 cup of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of mirin, 1/4 cup of sake, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, and 2 minced garlic cloves in a saucepan. Bring it to a boil, then simmer for 12 to 15 minutes. Let it cool to thicken up. To serve, pile up some rice, add the crispy tofu and roasted broccoli, and drizzle with that delicious teriyaki sauce. Optional, top with cilantro and sesame seeds. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.